Hello, my name is Brian Conforti and I'm a product manager here at PureLink AV. Today we'll be showing you how to navigate Media Access's user interface. Today we'll be discussing the Create tab. In the Create tab, we're able to manually select our inputs to outputs. The top row are our inputs, while the vertical row are our outputs. To make a switch, simply press the desired input to the desired output. On the right-hand side, Set All allows us to send one input to all outputs. Clear All allows us to clear all selections. One-to-one allows us to send each input to each output. Save allows us to create a preset, which we'll be discussing in a future video. Our navigation arrows allow us to scroll through our matrix. We can quickly navigate to our desired inputs and outputs by selecting Arrange. By doing so, we're able to jump to our desired section. On top, we have our video and audio matrix. The Media Access has a built-in independent audio matrix, which functions the same as our video matrix. We also are able to name all of our video inputs and outputs and name our audio inputs and outputs. Thank you for watching today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website at www.purelink.av.com. Thank you.